Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 24th of March, and this is your daily recap. I'm going to give this out to my subscribers. I'm also going to put this out there for free tonight. If you want to learn more about me, link to Smart Option Trades in the description below. We have private Twitter, we have a Discord room, and we use Zoom for video and chat. So let's talk about today, guys. I've been trading for 13 plus years now. Other people in this room have been trading even longer than me. This is probably the last couple of days, some of the nastiest action I've ever seen. The market is chopping and very, very sloppy and very messy, very hard to trust. And, when you look at the SPY on a daily candle, we'll start here. We'll open this up. It doesn't look so bad, right? We're just breaking the 21-day now. We're still inside yesterday's candle. We haven't gotten anywhere. There's no real distribution volume here with 67 million shares traded. We'll probably get close to 80 million, if not 90 by the time we close today. But there's no real power here or selling pressure going on. When you look at the 5-minute candle, it's a complete different story. You got this pop, pull, push, yank all over, and then you start getting this action. You see these 5-minute candles, hard sell, the next candle brings it back. That's a great candle. I want to be long at the end of that candle. We come up, we can't get through the ATR and VWAP, we roll over, we get that combination again, and here we are rolling lower. Nasty. When you look at the Qs have just been down all day long, just constant little H cell patterns here, nothing going on. And if you look at the Q on the daily chart, we still cannot break the 50-day and hold above it. And here we are rolling down, and your next level now becomes the 100-day, which is just below here. And if you can't hold that, then we can go further. More things that look bad, the IWM today. IWM, ugly candle. 2 weeks ago, we were all-time highs. Now we took out the 50-day and we took out yesterday's low with volume, and looking awfully weak here as we come lower. Where was the strength today? And there was strength out there today, guys. First of all, energy names today. Strong bounce all the way back to the 8 and the 21-day on the XLE where we failed. The banks held in most of the day. They're starting to come in now. Bounce to the 8-day, rolled over. We saw some big strength in the industrials. Names like Boeing had a big bounce to the 8-day where it failed. You can see on the left side here, weekly 250 calls. They were all over them on the open. It pushed up, and then ultimately it rolled over and couldn't hold. We saw Honeywell very strong holding in here, right? So there was strength in names like this. Home Depot, strong, new all-time highs today. The other place today they were playing in these NFT names. WKey going nuts on a PR piece that we already knew, but it's up over 100%. On a PR piece for news we already knew, but this is where they're playing. HOFV, the whole, also, all these NFT names ran. DLPN. All right, so you're looking out there. We saw some very strange call buying today. Ford, they were all over the April 9th, 1250 calls, massive buying. To me, it looked like they were being sold to open. Same thing with Visa, a massive order in the May 215 calls. To me, they look like they're being sold to open. We saw some big bearish bets on ARK, Kathy's fund, right? Nasty action here. Palantir, they absolutely obliterated the April 1st 21 puts at one point today. Right? You can see that one rolling over hard. You want to look further under the covers. Tesla getting smacked. Nasty candle there. Facebook, after a couple strong days, all the way back, nasty candle. And then you could look at China names. China names got just decimated today. Look at this in VIPs. No news. This is based upon tensions and relations between China and the westernized world again. IQ also getting absolutely destroyed on that. Baidu here, we were just talking about it, has a head and shoulders top forming that the 229 is the break of that. BABA getting smacked after a couple nice days. So bottom line here is that this market is very, very messy, very nasty here. Did I trade today? Yes, I did 4 trades. I traded TQQQ for a moderate gain. I traded DLPN for a little gain. I traded CCL for a small gain, and I lost about $200 on AESE. Made money today, nothing special. I'm keeping it tight here, and the one thing I always ask myself when the market gets like this, if I do not like the action and I do not trust it, if I do not feel I can sit in a trade, if I feel I'm at risk on every trade, I just sit tight. I wait. Should I be short this market? Is the question I keep getting. The market hasn't really gone anywhere. In my humble opinion, and I've been saying this for a while, this market needs a cleaning. We need a dump. You need to get this over bullishness that's been in this market now forever for the last year plus out. And you don't get that by what the action we're hearing. If you look again from the March lows and this massive move, this market has not corrected. This market could use a flush. I could see the SPY at the 200-day and then a nice bounce. I could even see a flush to the 100-day would help, but the market's got to be wanting to do it. And right now, there's so much bullishness in this market and the stimulus money coming in, it doesn't want to yield. So we'll see. So that's my thought process here, guys. I'm going home flat. The couple positions I have on, I'm not worried about it. They're long-term positions. Another big round of puts on ARK coming in here. ARKK, April 105s, 2,000 of them here. More. So, so we'll see. Maybe if we start breaching some levels, maybe we'll come in tomorrow and we'll have a nice red day. The good news is we're done with Powell for the week. I hope everybody's doing well. If, again, you want to learn more about me, link in the description of smartoptiontrading.com down below. And I hope everybody is doing well. And my members, if you're having problems, reach out. I'm always here for you guys.